We got in.
Thank God.
One of the dope girls literally opened this window, and we tried doing that last night, I swear, and it didn't work. This is Coachella day 3. So exciting. We're packing up right now because our place is a mess. Today I'm actually going to give you guys a tour because we have not so much planned today, but we just ordered Starbucks, so I'm walking to the kitchen right now. Say hi.
Hi.
So cute. There's my chocolate croissant that they didn't eat up. What are you making?
Oatmeal. That's all I got.
Putting my croissant in a bowl.
Where did you get the sugar?
I used sugar in the bowl. Like, what kind of even microwave is this? How do you even use this?
Right.
Open. Wow, this is pretty cool. I need to get one of these in my house. Look.
Whose are those?
We just found these on the floor.
No, they come in the room and they're like,
Keon.
eyelashes. And I was
Keon
like,
is wearing them
there's one on the
today.
floor out there.
She said I need fake eyelashes.
I need lashes. I'm just gonna like soak water. Bitch, we're really out here.
She needed some fake eyelashes for Coachella, she said. So, right now we're going to take some pool pictures. Is this so dark? What is going on? Okay, yes. We're going to take some pool pictures right now. This is my bathing suit. I'm going to show you guys kind of. It's from Meshki, so cute. And then I just put on a bunch of jewelry. And, I don't know where we're going to take pictures at though. I want to take them by the pool right here, but I don't know how good the lighting is. So I guess we're going to have to see and find out. Let's see if they're ready. You ready?
Yes, bro, yeah. Wait, I just want to put sunscreen and hey, I need to put sunscreen and then my
Oh, this is like bad angle.
wait, keep this out of the way, yeah. Okay, the Super Goop Sun Defying Basic Oil.
There we go.
So nice.
Oh shit, I broke
Do
it.
you want to put girl?
Oh wait, no I didn't.
Here.
Okay.
This is good. Girl.
Is the lighting good?
Yeah. Stay right here. I'm going to get my vlog camera.
You can look at my hair.
So the first thing is the Super Goop Sun Defying Sunscreen Oil. And this stuff just makes you like so glowy. Like watch. It's in the sun.
Rihanna didn't come to play.
No, I know. Tutorial this. I put a lot on because like I'm not here to play. Like, okay. That's like, you know,
It looks so
porn.
good. Oh shit, wait. I think she said it's
Girl.
She said it's
Love like anything like constellations, and I had a moon necklace and I broke it yesterday.
I don't know if you can tell. This is absurd, but I love it.
Oh yeah.
My natural hair like doesn't know what to do with it, so get the booty.
And this is my good side, so like, yeah.
She's taking over. That's how we recorded and everything.
Wait, can you tell me like how you did it? Crouch down so I can like see the lighting when you're down here. And then like I looked that way and up, but the sun's that way today.
Okay,
So I don't know
let me
what the
go
fuck.
this way.
Look up. There's like a shadow on your face. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. I mean, the pool filter behind you are kind of ugly.
I moved the hose for nothing. Sad page.
These are good, yeah.
Oh my god, I thought that was a person. Oh my god. Yes. I'm gonna give you guys a little quick house tour. I guess we're gonna start with the outside area. So this is like outside outdoor sitting. I don't really know, a grill. I don't know, this is kind of cute back here, kind of. So as you guys can see, the pool's right here. Sitting area, summer. How pretty is this view? So then this is the main house, and then these are where the guest house are. So I'm going to show you the outside really quick though, since I'm already outside. So this is the front portion of the outside. And this is so cute over here. I took some pictures over here the other day. So there's like outdoor kind of area, balcony area, and then we have a tennis court out there. A little plant, a little bar area, a sitting area, cute little fountain. This is Summer and I's room. It's like a little guest house, so it's a mess right now. Like there's walk-in closets and then a bathroom and a little kitchen. A complete mess, sorry guys. Stuff over here, a tennis courts because we all play tennis out here. And then over here there's another beach house. Oh, not beach house, there's another guest house over here. It's like humongous though. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Change my outfit, but I'll show you guys the rest, like the inside portion of the house. So we're there almost. Okay, this is the main door. Okay, this is, I guess, the first living room, you would say. And they have some props and stuff for us. And then that's the outside again. There's a little bar right here. And then this is the kitchen. Oh, I'm vlogging. Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Wait, did you guys go to the massage?
Main kitchen. Then this is, I guess, another living room. I have no idea. Oh, sorry. And then this is a laundry room, I'm assuming. Laundry. This bathroom is like really creepy. It keeps making this noise, like, be quiet. This is one bedroom. It's like the smallest one, I feel like. And there's another bathroom there. Okay, and then this is the upstairs area. This is Kiana's room. She's not in here, is she? No. Kiana's room. Walk-in closet, big closet. A bathroom. I don't know what this door is. And then another bathroom.
Hey.
We were looking for you.
Oh, I'm right here. Why were you looking for me?
Do you have glitter? I can put in my roots today.
Yeah, I have so much glitter. Then we have Liv's room. Cute. She has a good view of outside. It's really pretty. Oh, so cute. Okay, she has a closet. I think that's a closet. Mirror. And then this is Brittany's room. Hi, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Oh, your room is so cute too.
I really love it.
It's so cute.
Lighting here is so nice.
The lighting is beautiful. The master bedroom is right here. Do you guys mind if I show this room in my vlog?
Oh, yeah.
I just want to show it. Yes, it's okay, so is mine. But look how pretty this portion is of the house. There's like a little sitting area. This is gorgeous, and a little couch thing. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then they have a balcony. Can we go out? Yes. Oh, look at that house. That house is nice. But yeah, there's this balcony. Sorry, I'm just giving a little tour of the. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little bathtub. And then, oh wow, this is gorgeous. Hi, just showing. And then this is, no, it's okay. The whole place is a mess. And then, yeah, this is a big ass closet. So cute. Okay. And that was it for the little house tour. It's so pretty. Oh, yeah, let's go. This is my outfit for day 3. Sorry, the room is actually a complete mess, but my top is from Dolls Kill, bottom's from Dolls Kill. Literally, all my Coachella outfits have been from Dolls Kill. And I'm going to wear those white boots right there. I also wanted to do my makeup, like, super, like, blown out and, like, I don't know, just crazy, but I just haven't had time to do my makeup here because we have like a schedule of things to do. So I just been doing glitter on the sides of my face because it's just so easy. But I leave at 4:30 in the morning. I need to pack, but I probably honestly won't be able to until tonight. But yeah, I just want to show you guys my outfit. My necklaces are from the M Jewelers. I'm sorry I've been really bad at vlogging. It just has been so crazy. And then my sunnies are from Princess Polly. This is gel glitter.
Where's some?
Do you know the store Riley Rose? Okay, I'm putting it throughout your whole root. Doing a little lip ring. The Ferris wheel taking pictures right now, and she just took the best pictures of me ever. Oh my gosh, they look so good. But today it's overcast, so the lighting's like perfect in front of the Ferris wheel because the last couple of days the sun has been setting behind the Ferris wheel, so it just like looks bad in photos. So we're just doing that right now, and I don't know what else we're gonna do. Okay.
Everybody wanna be a star. These beats better boy get skirt. Don't run up in my lane, I don't want you in my lane. You a lane, get swerved. Make some motherfucking noise.
Meeting our friends at the Star, and the Star is huge, so don't know if we'll be able to find them. So we're eating lunch right now. Kiana got some vegan. They're vegan though. And then I got this breakfast bowl. I don't even know, like, this is all organic and shit. Like, I'm not about this. Like, this is when you know you're not in New York anymore. You're in California when you get vegan food all the time. It's Bella Hadid. Can you see?
These are special, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the spot, I can get it.
Guys, look how lit Ania! We just met up. Oh my god, she wasn't even supposed to come here. It's literally been a year. She was not even supposed to come.
And then last minute, I was like, bitch, I'm coming.
Oh my god, I'm so happy she's here! I just walked Kiana back to the bus because she wanted to take the 10 o'clock bus and I want to take the 12:30 or 12 o'clock bus because Eminem is playing. I leave tomorrow at 4:30 in the morning, so I'm gonna get, well, tonight based tomorrow morning, yeah, at 4:30. Not packed yet. It's fine. It's fine. My phone is dead and I need to find my friends because I wanted to walk Kiana out because I didn't want her to be alone. So, and it was just such a shit show out by the parking lot. It's so hard to find the cars and everything. So I'm just walking back in right now and I'm going to find Summer because she said she was going to meet me at the front by the water fountain. Okay guys, so I just wanted to end the vlog. The lighting I know is so awful. It's like super rainy outside. My voice is a little gone too. I didn't get the chance to end my vlog because my vlog camera ended up dying and I had to go back to the Airbnb and pack up all my stuff because I ended up leaving at 4:30 in the morning and we ended up getting home around 1. So, no, 12:30, and then I had to pack and stuff, so you can see I was like on a time crunch. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to Dote for this whole for this whole entire trip. I'm not sponsoring this video or anything since they sent me to Coachella. I just want to give them a little, you know, shout out. Link down below my page. You guys can follow me. I'll follow some of you guys back, and I'll just have down below my little code for you guys. So yeah, I just wanted to give Dote a little promo. I'm just so thankful for you guys, and I just love you guys all so much, and thank you for continuously like supporting me. And that's it. So I love you all so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. Okay, I love you all so much. I already said that. Okay, bye.